So let's go into another very common Python data type that you'll use a lot called a dictionary. You'll hear it referred to as a dict, D-I-C-T. It's a type of hash table or hash map you'll hear it referred to as in other programming languages. And what it is a collection of key and values. So let's create one called myDict. You construct one using these curly braces, and you're going to put some key with a colon and then some value with a comma to separate each entry in the dict. So just like an array where you're going to put your entry separated by commas, in a dictionary, you're going to say key colon value with commas. Okay, so let's say key, and then we'll say key 2, and we're going to say value 2. Okay, so let's see how we would refer to these. You're going to print out my dict. You use, just like you would be referencing a value in a list, you use those braces and you put the name of the key. So if we run this, we will get value, okay? And that's because my dict in this key called key is going to be a value. If we were to print my dict in the key 2 and run it, it would be value 2. And we could put any value in here. If we wanted to put, motorcycle and banana, you would just say my dict in the motorcycle and run it, and you get banana, right? Because here's the key and here's the value. All right? And the cool thing about dicts is that you can mix different values. So let's say we're going to say put key 3, and we can put an int. We could also put some other key and put 4.7, right? You can put a float in there as well. So if we were to say key 3 and print it, you get 4. If we put some other key and run it, you get 4.7. If you were to say type of some other key, or dict in my some other key, what do you think is going to happen? We should see float. And that's exactly what we see. We see class float. So that's an introduction to dicts. As you go through Python, you're going to be using them a lot. It's really good to understand how they work. That's it for this one.